Get PDF invoices into Xero in one click. As bills or as sales invoices, your choice. Direct API integration, no CSV gymnastics, and it scales to bulk. Here's the invoice extracted from a PDF. Vendor, customer, dates, line items, totals, all parsed and validated. Before pushing, connect DocuClipper to Xero. Open integrations, click Connect, approve the OAuth prompt. One-time setup. You can connect multiple Xero organizations if you serve multiple clients. DocuClipper matches each invoice against your existing Xero contact list. Matched contacts get a green check. Ambiguous ones give you a drop-down to confirm. New contacts get created in Xero on the fly. Hit Push to Xero and the bills are created. Switch to Xero, open accounts payable, then bills to approve, and you'll see them waiting. The same flow works for sales invoices. Link in the description for a free trial. No credit card needed.